My name is Danny and I recently developed a passion for travelling and filmmaking. Our next adventure would see us explore one of the most historically significant countries in the world. Our adventure began with a 2.5-hour flight from Newcastle Airport to Krakow. Because we arrived late, our journey would begin in the morning. The time is currently 6 AM in the morning. We're walking the streets of Krakow off to find our bus that is going to take us to the Auschwitz Museum. Stepping off the bus at Auschwitz, it was like taking a step back in time, back to the year 1940, to a time when unspeakable acts of violence and cruelty were committed against innocent people. Now, fast forward 83 years and we are left to grapple with the legacy of Auschwitz and to honour the memory of those who suffered. The next part of our trip took us on a journey deep into the earth as we explored the fascinating village salt mine. With over 700 years of history, this incredible underground complex showcased the impressive engineering and mining skills of past generations. After a full day of immersing ourselves in the rich history and culture of Krakow, we indulged in some delicious local food and drinks, soaking up the vibrant atmosphere of the city. But our adventure wasn't over yet. The next day we were excited to experience the great outdoors and see the beauty of this country in a whole new way. So another early morning wake-up call for us today. We had to catch a bus, which was 2 hours from Krakow to Zakopane, and then once we got in Zakopane we had to get another bus, which took us to where we are now, in the Tatra Mountains, where we're going to be doing a little bit of hiking to a lake called Chochołów, which is the largest lake in the whole of the Tatra Mountains. And the weather is horrendous, hence the poncho. So yeah, we're going to be doing a little bit of hiking. As our trip in Poland came to an end, we reflected on the memories we had made and the experiences we had shared. With each new adventure, our friendship grows stronger. But for now, the question remains: where are we going next?